Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you all how you all can promote your business on Instagram by running paid ads. So let's open an Instagram account first. There we go. So one of the most important thing when you need to run ads is you need to convert your normal account into a business account. So when you convert your account into a business account, this is how your profile looks like. These are the features which you get: edit profile, promotions, insights. So now next step, once you convert your account into a business account, is choosing the content you want to show your audience. It can be anything. It can be an image, it can be a video regarding your product, describing your product, what it is. So now I would like to promote my DJing course, the professional DJing course, which I had posted some days back. So what you need to do is click on the image first which you want to promote. So once you click on the image, this is how it will look like. So once you open the image, on the right hand side below your image you'll get an option called as promote. So now here it is showing as promote again because I had already promoted this content before, like around week back. So it is showing as promote again. If you are promoting a content for the first time, it will just say promote. So what you need to do is click on promote, okay, and then once you click on promote, it will take you on a destination page wherein you can choose where you want to divert your traffic to. For example, you want to divert your traffic to your profile, you can choose profile. Okay, now comes the most important part wherein you have to target your audience. You can see you can create your own audience over here. For example, I created my own audience named DJ. Now you can choose your own location where you want to show your ads. For example, I've chosen 4 locations. You can see Kandolem, Porurem, Panjim, Kalangud, where my ads will be displayed. You can choose different location. For example, see, you can choose Goa. If you want, you can show your ads to entire Goa. So that's how you can target your audience anywhere in Goa, or you can say anywhere in India, or maybe in world also. Now next, what you need to choose is interest. While choosing your interest, you need to understand what your audience is interested in. For example, my product is related more to DJing, so I have chosen different DJs, different magazines related to DJing, then different labels related to DJing. First, you need to make sure what your audience is interested in, and then you carefully choose the interest. And then Instagram gives you an option wherein you can target people of certain age. For example, I have kept my audience between 15 to 25 years of age. So you can choose the age of your audience depending on the product you're selling. And then you can also choose whether you want to target male or female audience. Then Instagram gives you an option. If you want to target only male audience, you can target only male audience. If you want to target female audience, you can target only female audience. Or if you want to target both, you can choose both male and female. And then once everything is done, you just need to say OK. Then it will take you to this page, you can see. And then you need to click on the arrow on the right hand side on the top. Once you click the arrow, it will take you to this page wherein you can set the budget and the duration of your ad. So you can see I'm choosing my duration as 5 days over here, and I'll keep my budget somewhere between 160 maybe. So it comes up to around 800 for 5 days. So you can choose any budget and as many days as you want. And then once you choose your budget and duration, you need to click on the arrow on the top on the right hand side. And then comes the final part where you have to do the payments for your ad to run. You can see I've already paid and my balance is 945 rupees. So you can just add the payments by clicking on the payment option right there. You can pay through UPI, you can pay through your debit card, credit card. There are different options out there. So once you're done paying, you can simply click on create promotion. Once you click on the create promotion, you can see your promotion will be under review. And then once it is reviewed by the Instagram, it will go live. And guys, make sure you have a Facebook handle of the same account you're promoting, otherwise your ad won't be reviewed. And then once your ad goes live, you can check insights. You can check how your ad is performing by just clicking on insights. You can see, then you can check your impressions, engagements of your ad. You can see reviews. You can even pause and start your promotion whenever you want. You get an option once your ad goes live. And once your ad is live on Instagram, it is very important that you keep tracking your impression and engagement. That is because that's how you come to know how your ad is performing and how people are liking your product, whether people are liking your product or no. So guys, this is how you can promote your product or any local business on Instagram by using these few simple steps. So guys, if you like the video and if you feel it was useful, please do share and like this video. Thank you.